Welcome back to another episode of Bushel Builds. If you guys saw the last video, we went and bought 2 new cars. This car does run and drive. It has a straight 6 engine. The brakes are not working. The seat's not attached. We need to bolt that down. And the steering wheel is also not attached. We need to get that bolted on. Run a checkup on it. Make sure everything's working right. And then we'll take it for a drive. So let's get busheling. So we're taking it for a test drive after we put the brake fluid in it. We didn't air out the brakes right, and so the brakes actually locked up on us. So I was driving it around, and when I went to push in the clutch, it just braked up and killed it. So I found the problem for why the brake master cylinder was completely empty. If you look down here at this rubber gasket where the brake pedal goes through the firewall, there's brake fluid leaking down into the floor pan. So I went through and bled all 4 brakes because one of them is locked up, and so the car doesn't want to roll right now. But it still hasn't loosened up, so either one of them is stuck. Could be that the old drum brakes are just rusty and stuck in place. So we're going to try and jump start it again, pull it forward, see if we can either break it loose or pull it in the shop and get the drums off and see what's actually holding this thing up. So we got the car pulled in the shop here. But as you can see by this skid on the floor, this front left tire is really grabbing really hard, and I'm not sure why, but I think that's the one that was locking up on us out in the field. gonna go for a drive. Got a new battery in it. We checked all the vitals. We put a little extra fluid in the differential in the transmission. Seems to not be engaging okay. So let's take a look under the hood. What's going on? I don't know how well you can see this in the video, but this push rod right here is threaded, and this is the clutch adjustment right here. These two bolts, and it goes down here to this, and down there you can see where it pushes into the forks for the fork for the throwout bearing. We just barely replaced this spring. Trying to get it to be stiffer so it would disengage. But either our spring isn't strong enough, or we need to adjust the clutch adjustment right here so it's engaging all the way. It's got some old bad gas in it, and it's plugging up the carburetor. So the carburetor's not running really good right now. It's running really bad. We took apart the the fuel line. We cleaned out this glass here and this one here. Sprayed some carb cleaner in there. So now I'm gonna crank it over, and this should fill back up with gas, and we should get it running. The choke was poorly adjusted, so we're gonna see if we can get it to fill back up with gas. Alright, so we worked all day on this Fairlane 300. We got the brakes working, we got it running and driving, we took it for a drive. There's still something wrong with the ignition, something wrong with the electrical. We're gonna figure those out, but we're done working on it for today. So thanks for joining us, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the next video.